So you reach a nice little jungle river you could take a dip in.
I flew 5,000 miles and walked hours in the heat for this.
Don't start.
You don't really expect us to swim here, do you? Not exactly the sort of flora and fauna I was looking for either.
Well, it's still a howler monkey and thing to see.
Well, I hope I see some monkeys soon, else it might be me howling.
All right. Tomorrow we'll go to the swamp. But I can't guarantee no manatee.
I'll tell you one thing. If you keep taking people to places like this, you're going to be out of a job.
Let's go, honey.
Bush guide.
Kitchen now. A kitchen.
Sonny boy, what I tell you? You can't catch none here. What fish it have? We don't run from here too, John.
You can make a good curry with that, Johnny boy.
Well, you look like a hobbit. There you go. You know, for a skinny man, you just real eat, you know. They hardly have any chicken left.
And what have you saw so whole there?
So that old stove and fridge you only throw it in the river. Make the river overflow again.
So your crops flood out again, boy?
You know what? I have an idea. You should be a bushman. A bush guide. Yeah. There are real money in that.
What money you having that?
People really like that kind of thing, you know. Foreign people and local people, they like that kind of nature. You could be nature man.
Well, it's true. I know there's forest at the back of my hand. Now we go there.
That could be a jingle. Nature man, in the nature. Nature man, nature man. Psychic.